I just bought a new phone, my Samsung S21 FE 256GB from my favourite shop, which also does repairs. That's why I'm showing it to you, because he sells second-hand phones and he does really good repairs, cheap. And also we're having a look at my dentist, I'll show you where that is, and also my optician, I'll show you where that is in this video. Okay? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're starting off at Tukcom, again same as we did in the last video, so don't confuse the two videos, they are different. This particular video is the first one in a sort of a series of where to find things in Pattaya, because a lot of you new guys have no idea where anything is. Now, Tukcom is a specialist place which is for electronic goods, phones, televisions, computers, all that sort of stuff, and it's on South Pattaya Road, just at the bottom of Soibakau. So we're going to go and have a look here. Now, this particular shop I'm going to take you to right at the back, I have known this guy for maybe a year and a half, 2 years. I never asked his name actually, but I just take my phone there. If it's broken, I just have a problem, and he fixes it. It's as simple as that. He's so good. And I've told 3 or 4 or 5 other people who said, oh, I've got a problem with my phone, it's not charged, no, this or that, or there's something wrong with my phone. And I said, go there. This guy is brilliant. And they go there and they say, wow, he fixed it, you know, in half a day or something, completely fixed it, and it's been perfect ever since. This is the place to come if you want to repair your phone. If there's anything wrong with your phone at all, this is the guy to see. In my opinion, I've been here many times, but the first time I've actually bought a phone, and I bought it from him mainly because I knew that he would transfer everything from the old phone over to the new phone and not miss anything, because so many times they miss stuff. Anyway, here he is. His name's Sam, by the way, I now know. I just want to tell you how happy I am with the phone, the camera, the whole thing, everything. I think it's really good. I think he did a really good job. You know, you transferred everything over. Yes. Everything is perfect. Everything goes. Line, all the details. Everything went over. I don't know your name.
Me?
Yeah.
Sam.
Sam?
Yeah.
Okay, Sam. Well, I'm doing video about different places to go to do things in Pattaya. One is to have a phone repaired or buy a new phone, and then I've got another one like a dentist, or another one for an optician. Different places that I recommend people to go. Okay, and this is one of the places. Right, I'm actually doing it now. Okay. Okay. So that's why I've got your card. I'm going to show people your card. But, I mean, I remember last year when I had the old phone, I had a problem with the battery, and you put a new battery. That was a perfect job. And other people I've sent here, you repaired their phones, and you've done a perfect job. Every time it's been perfect. So that's why I've come, because I think you're really good, Sam. Okay? Okay. Okay. I shall put it on YouTube. All right. So here is Sam's phone number. As you heard, he speaks quite decent English as well, if you want to contact him. So I thought I would check the price that I paid for the phone with Sam, and I just went round the corner here to the Samsung place, the actual company, and see what they would charge for the same thing. How much is the Samsung S21 FE 256GB?
18,500 baht.
18? No, the 256 one.
Yeah, this price, but I give you 18,500.
Oh, you can. It's 19,000. What you? Okay.
I give you more discount.
Okay, fine.
And free screen, free cover.
Okay.
Adapter charge.
Okay, great. Fine, thank you. Thank you. So you see, that's the price, 18,500 Thai baht, which is the same price I paid Sam. The difference is that he also gave me a a high quality tempered glass screen cover and fitted it and everything. And also I trusted him, and I was correct to do so, to transfer everything over, because so many times the old phones, they miss things, they miss that, you go back, oh, you didn't transfer over here, blah blah blah, especially secure folders which I have on the phone. Everything was done to perfection. That's why I went back to tell him, because if someone does something really 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 well, I think they deserve to be complimented. That's my opinion. And also, if you can help them in any way at all, then tell people, which is what I'm doing with you guys now. And there's no commission, nothing. I don't get anything at all from him, nothing. I don't want it, I don't ask for it. It's purely because the guy does such a good job. Anyway, the next place we're going to go to is I'm going to show you my dentist, which is just as you come out of the entrance here and we turn right. We go up to the traffic lights and turn left, and it's just up on 3rd Road. You know, there's so many dentists here, and you don't know which one's good, which one's bad, whatever. I've been going to this guy for 3 years now, and Dr. Jeff, he's only a young guy, he's in his 30s, middle 30s I would say, but he's very good, so gentle. And I've actually spoken to other people who've watched a video I did 3 years ago about him, and they've been as well and said he's great. So there you go. Hi, I have an appointment 10:30 with Dr. Jeff. Yep, that's it. Do you have a price list? Do you have a list of prices? How much filling, how much this, can you show me? Oh, it's here, you have here? Now I've taken 4 stills of this, so you see the upper part, the lower part, and upper part and lower part of each of the prices. You can read all of it, you can read everything, and you compare that to what you'd pay in your own country. Trust me, this guy is good. There was a friend of mine who asked me where to go. I said, come here, and he's had some implants, and they were very reasonable price, but the quality of the work is so good. He's so gentle, you know. So and it's never crazy busy. It's always reasonably, you can walk in, and you can often get a place straight away, but always you can have an appointment within a day, you know. Really good, really good. So just waiting for her to come now, and I'll go in and have my filling. Okay, great. Thank you. Well, that was painless, completely painless. Hi. Okay, so time to pay. 1,000 baht. Okay. Yeah, make it for 1 week. Make it Monday. Yeah, I think if you can do Monday 10:30, can you do? Okay, 10:30 Tuesday.
Yeah,
Tuesday 10:30. Okay, do Tuesday. Next Tuesday, yes. You do that? Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. See you next week. So for you guys who are scared of dentists, I've been there many times, he's never hurt me once. Right, we're back onto Soi Buakhao. There's Trenchtown opposite Made in Thailand, and we're going to walk up because I'm going to take you now to my optician. Now I got some, Americans call them eyeglasses or spectacles, or we call them glasses. So I got some proper progressive, really good glasses, high quality glasses, a couple of years ago from here, and I'm honestly, they've been so good. I'm still wearing them now. They're absolutely brilliant. But let me just introduce you to the lady now, okay? Hi.
How are you?
Good, very good. I'm just doing a video at the moment for tell people where to come to buy different things or whatever. Like where to buy a phone, where to buy glasses, spectacles, where to go for this, that, many different things. And you remember when I have these 2 years ago?
Yeah.
How much would they be now? Because I remember how much they were 2 years ago. I'm sure the price has changed. How much would you, for if somebody came and wanted to buy exactly the same as I buy, with progressive lens, same Swiss frame, same, how much would it be?
About I think best quality now about 7,000 or 7,500.
Oh, about 7 or 7.5. Because well, that's okay. Because that's only a little bit more than I paid.
Yeah.
I paid about 6.5.
Yeah.
So it's not a lot more.
Yeah.
Okay, that's for a good price.
Yeah.
Let me just show you the glasses properly because they're very good quality. The frame is Swiss. The lenses were made in Bangkok, and they're tinted, semi-tinted. The top upper part is tinted, and I'll show you the different choices you have as well, because that I'll take a clip from the old video to show you that. But they're progressive lenses, which means that the upper part there is for distance, for driving or whatever. Middle part is just for middle vision, and the lower part is for reading. So you don't need any other glasses. Let me show you this clip from the old video. So that's the one that I've chosen. Yeah? Right. And it's progressive lenses.
Yeah.
And it's the best one of the progressive lenses. Great. You have the chart for pick the colours. You can show me. Yeah, that's right, yeah. So these are all permanent colours. And this one I have the light grey permanent colour. Great. So that's great, that's fine. And maybe about 10 days, 1 week, 10 days?
1 week per 10 day, maybe 7 days. Yeah.
Okay. Great. I shall see you soon. Good price. So that's what I came to see, because I'm going to show people what I bought and everything on the camera. I'm going to show them and tell them to come here.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I shall go.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Okay.
I shall tell people about it, okay? Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. By the way, for the cynics amongst you, I'm not getting any commission whatsoever from any of these businesses. This is purely because I think they're good and I recommend them personally, okay? By the way, don't forget, have a look at the Uncut Size 6 videos and the Gents Club videos on Patreon, and please subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, and thank you very much. See you on the next video.